Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right in to learn how to track habits and routines using Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. So let's get started. The first step is to set up your Todoist account. If you haven't head over to their website or download the app and sign up. This helps us because Todoist is a user-friendly platform that allows you to organize and prioritize your tasks efficiently. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, creating a project. To do this, click on the plus button next to Projects on the left sidebar. Name it Habit Tracker or something similar. The reason we do this is to keep all our habit-related tasks in one dedicated place. Once that's done, let's move on to adding tasks. These are your habits or routines. Click on Add Task, write your habit, and set it to repeat. You can make it daily, weekly, or custom intervals. This is critical as Todoist will remind you of your habit at the set interval, helping you to stay consistent. Next up, let's make use of labels and priorities. Assign a label like morning routine or workout to your tasks and set a priority level. This helps us because labels allow for easy categorizing and searching of tasks, while priorities help us focus on the most urgent habits first. Lastly, don't forget to mark your tasks as done once you've completed them. Just click on the circle next to the task and it will be marked as completed. This simple act of marking your habits as done can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. And there you have it. Tracking habits and routines using Todoist is as simple as that. Remember, consistency is key when forming new habits. Keep using Todoist to help you stay on track. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.